Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming to you with another YouTube tutorial for makeup. Today was the superhero chosen was Vixen. Today we have a guest star, my friend Sean, because I just kind of didn't feel like talking to myself this entire time, and last time it was kind of boring. So, in honor of Vixen, most of you guys do know, most of you guys don't know, Vixen is a darker skinned DC comic hero, and she is absolutely gorgeous. She can talk to animals, she can transform into animals. Well, not transform, but like she gets the strength from her amulet and she can mimic the strength of certain animals, which is pretty cool. Today, I got a new palette for you. Ta-da! It's CoverGirl. I actually have worn CoverGirl before, so I'm not gonna say that I haven't.
Alright, and here's the final product. Be sure to like and share my page, and I will send you a little something in the mail if you send me a comment. So I guess I'll see you on the flip side. Peace out.